Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials and then run the first diagnostic steps. Make sure the router and device are powered and cables are firmly seated, because intermittent links cause many faults. Once that's confirmed, log into the router admin or open your device's network settings so you can see IP mode. DHCP versus static matters. Run the built-in troubleshooter or ping the gateway address to confirm basic connectivity. This identifies whether the issue is local hardware, IP allocation, or upstream. Once you have gateway reachability, adjust addressing and name resolution to restore service. If you're using static addressing, confirm the IP, subnet mask, and gateway match the router's LAN. Otherwise, switch to DHCP and renew the lease. Next, flush DNS cache and set a known reliable DNS server to eliminate lookup failures. Disable and re-enable the network adapter or update its driver if link issues persist. And make sure no proxy or VPN is interfering with normal routing. Those often block traffic. Finish by performing controlled restarts and verifying end-to-end connectivity. Power cycle the modem and router, wait a full 60 to 90 seconds for upstream sync, then reconnect devices and recheck. Use traceroute and browse several reliable sites to confirm DNS and routing are stable, and compare wired versus wireless behavior to isolate the problem. If issues persist, try a router factory reset only after exporting settings, or call your ISP. Troubleshooting tip: capture error outputs, ping, traceroute, DHCP logs before resets for support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.